going to explain how to represent irrational number on number line. For that one, I am going to draw a straight line and marked whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This line is called number line. Place a protractor at A, mark 90 degrees. Draw a perpendicular line. Take this radius 1 unit. Draw an arc. OB is called hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OB is called root 2. Take radius OB. Draw an arc. Touches number line at B. So length OB is called root 2. Placing protractor at B and mark 90 degrees and draw a perpendicular line. Take radius 1 unit and draw an arc on perpendicular line. Join OD. OBD is right angle. The OD is hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD is equal to root 3. Now taking radius OD and draw an arc. Draw an arc which touches number line at E.
I'm going to represent irrational number root 5 on number line. For that one, place in protractor at a D and mark 90 degrees. Draw a perpendicular line. Taking radius set to root 2. Draw an arc which touches at F. Join OF. ODF is right angle triangle. OF is hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, OF square is equal to OD square plus DF square. OF is equal to root 5. Taking radius OF and draw an arc, number line, which touches at number line at G. root 5.